Using the appliance for the first time. Insert the power cable connector into the socket at the back of the appliance and connect the appliance to the mains electricity supply. Make sure the main switch at the back of the appliance is pressed. You must first choose the language. The languages scroll through at intervals of about 3 seconds. When English appears, press and hold the OK button for a few seconds until English Set is displayed. Fill tank. Remove the water tank, fill to the max line with fresh water, then replace in the appliance. Check that the hot water spout is inserted on the nozzle and place a container with a minimum capacity of 100 millilitres underneath. Hot water, press OK is displayed. Press the OK button to confirm. The appliance delivers water from the spout, then goes off automatically. The coffee maker is now ready for normal use.